In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Zoho mail password and update it to something more memorable and secure. We all know that remembering passwords can be a hassle, especially if you have multiple accounts. So, let's simplify this process together. To begin, open your preferred web browser and type in the following URL: https://accounts.zoho.com. This will take you to the Zoho Accounts page, where you can manage the details of your Zoho account. Once you're on this page, you need to log in using your current credentials. Enter your email address and your existing password to gain access. After you log in successfully, direct your attention to the left-hand menu and look for the section labeled Security. Clicking on Security will navigate you to a new page where you can update various security settings associated with your account, including passwords. Next, find the option that says Change Password. This is where you'll be able to set a new password for your Zoho account. When you click on Change Password, a form will appear prompting you to enter 3 sets of information. Start by entering your current password in the first box provided. This step confirms your identity and assures Zoho that you are authorized to make changes to this account. If you've forgotten your current password, you may need to reset it. But for now, let's assume you have it handy. Now, let's focus on setting your new password. In the second box, type the new password that you wish to use. When creating a new password, aim for a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters to maximize its strength. Choose something that you can easily remember but is hard for others to guess. Once you've decided on a secure new password, type it again in the third box to confirm your selection. This step is crucial for preventing any typographical errors that can lock you out of your account in the future. After you have carefully filled in all these details, take a moment to review them. Double-check that your new password is typed the same way in both the new password and confirm new password fields. Once everything looks good, click the Save button to apply these changes to your account. Upon saving your new password, you will see a confirmation message indicating that the change was successful. From this point forward, your new password will be used to access your Zoho Mail and other Zoho services. That's all there is to it. By updating your password, you've taken an important step in protecting your digital information. Regularly updating passwords is a recommended practice for maintaining account security. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more tips like this.